हाँ प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। आज हम रिलेशन बिटवीन डिग्री मेजर एंड रेडियन मेजर सीखेंगे। एंगल के बीच में डिग्री और रेडियन में क्या रिलेशन है, कैसे हम डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और रेडियन को डिग्री में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, ये चीज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले 360 डिग्री वन रोटेशन इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन के बराबर होता है। डिवाइडिंग बाय 2 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन, देयरफॉर 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 180 रेडियन। In order to convert the degree measure into radian measure, you have to multiply by that degree angle by pi by 180 radian. Let us discuss it with an example. Exercise 3.1, question number 1, part number 1. Convert 25 degree into radian. 25 degree is equal to multiplied by pi by 180, or it will convert into radian. That is 25 upon 180, that is equal to 5 by 36 into pi radian. This is the radian measure of 25 degree. That's all. Now let us discuss to convert radian measure into degree measure. So in order to convert the radian measure into degree measure, you have to multiply the reciprocal of pi by 180. You have to multiply that radian measure by 180 upon pi, because 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This implies 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree, and substituting the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. You get the degree measure of that angle. So this is the procedure for converting the radian into degree measure. So let us discuss it with an example. Question number 2, part number 3rd. Exercise 3.1, question number 2, part number 3rd. Let us convert 5 pi by 3 radian into degree. Solution: 5 pi by 3 is equal to 5 pi by 3 multiplied by 180 upon pi, bracket or over degree. After that, after cutting, you get 5 into 180 upon 3 degree, that is 5 into 60 degree, 3 से cancel, that is equal to 300 degree. In this way, you can convert radian into degree measure. Substituting the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. If it not cut, यदि ये काटता नहीं है तो आपने पाई के स्थान पर 22/22 upon 7 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होता है. So this was your procedure to convert the radian measure into degree measure. अब बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पार्ट 2nd. Convert -4 radian into degrees. solution minus 4 radian is equal to minus 4 into putting 180 upon pi at the place of 1 radian and degree. Then substituting the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7 at the numerator, degree, and after cutting it, 4 into 180 into 7 into 22, 2 to the 4, 2 11 the 22, we get 360 multiplied by 7 upon 11, minus 2520 upon 11 degree. So after calculation we get minus 2520 upon 11 degree. Now let us convert it into degree, minute and second, because in degree measure we can change the angle into degree, मिनट एंड सेकंड. जब भी हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो बच्चों कुछ डिग्री बनेगी और कुछ मिनट भी बनेंगे और कुछ सेकंड भी बनेंगे, फिर वो कंप्लीट एंगल बन जाएगा. तो आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग 2520 by 11 we get 11 to the 22, 3, 11 to the 22, 10, 100, 11 9 are 99, 1. This is minus 229 degree complete. Remainder is 1. Now let us check how many minutes are there. Multiply this by 60 because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. We get 60 and again dividing by 11. दोबारा 11 से डिवाइड करना है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 60 से. यदि 2 होता तो 120 आना है, 3 होता रिमाइंडर तो यहाँ पर तो 180 आना है और 11 से डिवाइड करना. 11 5 है 55, रिमाइंडर इज 5 मिनट कंप्लीट. 5 मिनट कंप्लीट हो, फिर रिमाइंडर बच गया 5. इसको पुनः 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 300 आएगा और अगेन डिवाइडिंग बाय 11 we get 11 to the 22, 8 0, 11 7 the 77, 3 is remainder. Therefore we get 27 seconds और रिमाइंडर फिर बच गया तो नियरली लिख लेना 27 second nearly. This is the answer. Minus 229 degree, 5 minutes and 27 seconds nearly because there is a remainder 3. Answer is this. If we delete this 27 second, then it will remain same. यदि ये 30 सेकंड से अबव हो और इसको हम डिलीट करें तो यहाँ पर एक चेंज हो जाता है. 5 सेकंड का मिनट का 6 मिनट्स हो जाएगा और फिर भी नियरली ही आंसर आएगा. परंतु कोई जरूरत नहीं, यहाँ पर आपने इसका आंसर आ गया 229 डिग्री 5 मिनट एंड 27 सेकंड नियरली. नियरली इसलिए बिकॉज ये पूरे का पूरा नहीं कटा है, ये रिमाइंडर बच गया है. यदि रिमाइंडर नहीं बचता तो नियरली शब्द अप्रोक्सीमेटली या नियरली इज द सुटेबल वर्ड एट दिस प्लेस. So this is the answer of this question. हाँ प्यारे बच्चों, ये एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर कंपटीशन एज examination point of view, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? 1 second में कितने रेडियन का एंगल ये टर्न करता है? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस टर्न बाय द व्हील इन 1 second. According to the question, number of revolutions turned by wheel in 1 minute means 60 seconds is equal to 360 revolutions, not degree. Revolutions, 300 revolutions in 1 minute. Therefore, number of revolutions turned by wheel in 1 second, dividing 360 by 60, we get 6 revolutions. Therefore, angle turn by wheel in 1 second is equal to, this is the short form to write second. 1 second is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 revolution is 2 pi radian. Then 6 revolution will be 6 into 2 pi. There will be, that will be equal to 12 pi radians. That is the answer. Angle turned by the wheel in radian in 6 revolution is 12 pi radian. यदि रेडियन में नहीं पूछा होता, डिग्री में ही पूछा होता, तो you have to multiply 6 by 360 degree, because 1 revolution means 360 degree, and also 1 revolution means 2 pi radian. Therefore, in order to find the angle in radian, you have to multiply this 6 by 2 pi, and in order to measure the angle in degree, you have to multiply the 6 revolutions by 2 pi. That's all. Now, question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle suspended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Let us take a circle whose radius is 100 centimeter and center is O, and length of the arc is 22 centimeter. This is radius OA and this is OB. This is also 100 centimeter, and length of the arc AB is L is equal to 22 centimeter. Then find the degree measure of the angle. This angle theta is our requirement in degrees. The formula for this is theta is equal to L upon R in radian. After substituting the value of L and R, we will get the value of theta in radian, not in a degree. You have to convert it into degree if you are interested to find the degree measure. So let us use this formula and use the given things. According to the question, the radius of the circle is R is equal to 100 centimeter. A radius of the circle is given to you. This R is given to you. OA is equal to OB is R is equal to 100 centimeter. Length of the arc AB is also given to you. Again, according to the question, the length of the arc L is equal to AB arc is equal to 22 centimeters. This is also given to you. Applying this formula, because theta is equal to L upon R, that is equal to 22 upon 100, that is equal to 11 upon 50 radian. What your requirement is, find the degree measure. Degree measure निकालना है, it is the radian measure of the angle. So let us convert it into degree. Multiply by 180 upon pi. 11 upon 50 multiplied by 180 upon pi. We get into degree. That is equal to 11 upon 50 into 180 upon 22 multiplied by 7 degree. After cutting, we will get the degree measure. (11 upon 50) multiplied by 180 divided by 22 and multiplied by 7. And now, after calculation, we get 11 into 180 into 7 upon 50 into 22 degree. 11 to the 22, 0 से 0 cut, 2 से 18 cut, 63 upon 5 degree. This is the degree measure, and also we can convert it into degree, minute and second. 12 5 is 60, 3 is remainder, multiplied 3 by 60, we get 180. Again dividing by 5, we get 30 minutes. Therefore, the answer is 12 degree and 30 minutes. In order to divide 63 by 5, we get 63 divided by 5, that is equal to 63 divided by 5, 12, 5 is 63 is remainder, multiply it by 60 in order to find the minutes, we get 180, again divided by 5, we get 30. We get 36. 12 degree and 36 minute is the answer of this question. Now, question number 5, exercise 3.1. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. It is a circle. Length of the diameter is AB is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of that circle is 40 upon 2, that is 20 centimeter. OB is equal to 20 centimeter. OC is also 20 centimeter. Length of the chord is given, BC is 20 centimeter. It is also given to you. BC is equal to 20 centimeter. And this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Each side is equal. Therefore, each angle will be equal to 60 degree. Therefore, theta will be equal to 60 degree is equal to 60 multiplied by pi by 180 is equal to pi by 3 radian. This angle is pi by 3 radian. Your target is to find BC chord, minor arc. BC arc is your requirement. This is the minor arc. This is the major arc. L is your requirement. Applying the formula, theta is equal to L upon R, we can solve it. Now applying the formula, because theta is equal to L upon R. Substituting the value of theta, that is pi by 3 रेडियन. यहां पर कोई भी एंगल थीटा की वैल्यू भरनी है, रेडियन में ही भरनी है. वैल्यू आएगी, रेडियन नहीं आएगी. pi by 3 is equal to L upon R. R is 20 multiplied by 20 cross multiply 20 into pi by 3 is equal to L. Therefore L is equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter. That is the length of the minor arc of this circle. This is your answer. The length of the minor arc of the circle is 20 pi by 3 centimeter.